Welcome to Istanbul, a city where East meets West and tradition lives in every cup. We've been going from place to place during our stay in Istanbul. And in this video, Cecilia decided to take it easy with her friend Jan. They're diving into one of Turkey's most beloved cultural rituals, making and tasting authentic Turkish coffee. Nestled in the heart of the city, this cozy coffee house offers a hands-on class to master the art of brewing Turkish coffee, the UNESCO-listed heritage drink that dates back over 500 years.
So we are in the room here to learn how to make Turkish coffee. And we got a cute little coffee cup.
Turkish coffee is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity because it's much more than just a way of preparing a drink. It represents a deep cultural and social tradition with historical roots and enduring social value across generations. Their journey starts with some history and background from the instructor. In this class, they learned that Turkish coffee isn't just about drinking. It includes coffee preparation in a cezve, a copper pot, serving it in special cups with small handles, pairing it with Turkish delight or lokum, and in fortune telling using coffee grounds.
I didn't try yet, but somehow those people get some kind of idea to use the coffee beans, except from the fruits, because it's almost look like an olive, the green one. And for that part, please take your coffee beans and open the upper part.
Ooh, that's heavy.
Left it what you have it, and be careful about the bottom part because it fell down easily. If you like, you can use like that. Otherwise, please hold it like that. Here you go. Please just let me.
Right?
He wants us to put the coffee in here?
I think so. We put the coffee inside.
Yes.
That makes it easier.
Yeah. Again.
Right.
Yeah. Yes, let me. And please hear the crush.
Yep.
Yes, exactly.
Then go and
We are grinding the coffee.
smell good, right?
Mm-hmm.
And where you hold it, please be careful because it's heat also. First, careful. I hold it here. Yeah, you did it. Yeah. She did it? No, not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. Can I see more? Yes, you can leave it on the cezve, just directly. Yeah. Sugar. Yes, here we go.
So we added the water and the coffee, which is extremely fine in here.
Added.
And then he's going to light up this. And then we're going to cook it.
Yeah. Then you mix it. You can change it. But mostly we appreciate that filter. Mostly we are taking the peaks like that.
Patience is key. The coffee must foam but never boil. Centuries of technique come to life, one careful swirl at a time.
Yeah.
A couple
That's
times.
enough. And also we let it.
The Moment of Truth, a rich, velvety sip that tells stories of Ottoman palaces and bustling bazaars. Don't forget the lokum, Turkish delight, on the side. And for a magical twist, fortune telling from coffee grounds. Whether you believe it or not, it's all part of the charm. From bean to brew, this Turkish coffee class isn't just a workshop, it's a journey into the soul of Istanbul. Thanks for watching and joining us on this cultural adventure. Until next time, Şerefe.